Welcome to my channel. Today we are riding the good-looking Indian FTR 1200, but first take a moment to enjoy the details of this motorcycle. Welcome again. Before I'll tell you more about Indian, let me just tell you how I got it. Shortly, my good friend Janez called me and offered his Indian FTR 1200 for the DGR charity ride. I really like the FTR visually, so I gladly accepted the offer. The link to the video from the event is in the description. Since I didn't know much about this bike beforehand, I didn't expect much. And what a surprise! The riding position is something completely new for me. You sit upright with a wide flat tracker handlebar and you see only a small part of motorcycle in your field of view. But the feeling is surprisingly good. Also the steering is instant and sharp. And then there's the engine. It's crazy how this bike pulls, like a train. I was totally impressed. I have to say, I rode a lot in the electronic rain mode because the bike was the easiest to handle that way. As for the sport mode, I'm not sure who and where really needs it. By the way, the display is nicely readable and the system is pleasantly easy and intuitive to use, with the information very well presented. If we set aside the really good riding feelings, I must emphasize that this bike is visually really special, with cool details and massive engine, plus an Acra exhaust on top of it all. Awesome! It's definitely a head turner. The only downside I'd point out is the small fuel tank and quite high consumption. You can fit about 13 liters of fuel in this tank, but it's hard to do more than 150 kilometers with it. But those kilometers are, at least in terms of feelings, incredible, and you can easily forgive those minor downsides. The looks, performance and especially the serotonin boost while riding are reasons why this motorcycle should also be in my garage. What about you? Would you ride this beast? Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ride safe.